My name is Ruok'Tain Williams. I'm from Seattle, Washington, and I currently am getting a major in AOS in electrical maintenance and technician work. I ended up really loving electrical work back when I was a kid, and I really did see myself working in the electrical industry. I remember when I was younger, I took apart my PlayStation, and that was the first experience I ever had with something electrical. My favorite part of the program has definitely got to be the application, like being able to not just go and sit and lecture, but being able to apply what you're learning, taking the drawings, taking the math, taking all of that and applying it to what you're building and being able to build a finished product. When you first turn your light bulb on, when you wire up your very first light switch and light bulb, it's like you just solved the formula to nuclear fission. It is like the greatest feeling ever because you're like, yes, I've made power. Professors have been the driving force behind me when I didn't believe in myself. There are times where I questioned, why am I here? What am I doing this for? And I struggled to grasp certain concepts right away. But the instructors were the ones who were telling me, like, you're a smart guy, you got this, just sit with it until you get it. It's not something that everybody gets right away. And then they would tell me about their personal experiences and how it applied to them, how they didn't get it right away. And it made me gain more confidence in myself. They were never afraid to tell me where I went wrong to help me improve on myself as a student. And that's the one thing I want to say is, like, the instructors are phenomenal for that. It's not how you're wired, it's what you do with it.